Kids, are you ready?
Yeah!
What sound does a cat make?
A cat makes a meow meow sound. Meow meow sound.
What sound does a dog make?
A dog makes a woof woof sound. Woof woof sound.
What sound does a horse make?
A horse makes a neigh sound. A neigh sound.
What sound does a hen make?
A hen makes a cock-a-doodle-doo sound. Cock-a-doodle-doo.
What sound does a sheep make?
A sheep makes baa sound. Baa.
What sound does a cow make?
Cow makes a moo sound. Moo sound. Moo sound.
What sound does a duck make?
A duck makes a quack quack sound. Quack quack quack. Quack quack quack.
What sound does a mouse make?
A mouse makes a squeak sound. A squeak sound.
What sound does a frog make?
A frog makes a ribbit sound. Ribbit, ribbit. Like, subscribe and share. Watch, like and subscribe.